Hello, welcome. Today I am going to teach you how you can delete all your Facebook posts instantly. So if you unlock your Facebook page, you click on your profile picture. You see these three dots. Click on it. And now there are basically two ways you can delete all your Facebook posts. Okay. The first way is through activity lock and the second way is through manage posts. So let's start with activity lock. You click on activity lock, you click on public posts, you click on select all. Okay, and you click on recycle bin, you click continue, you click on select all, and you click on this delete icon. The post will be deleted. Okay, let's go back to the second method. So the second method, you click on manage posts. Now once you are on this page, you can click on filter to select the period. Okay, like the date you want to delete the post. Okay, so you select the date. After selecting the date, you click done. Then you see this small cycle here, click on it. Click or just tap on the post to select. When you select, you see this icon. Click on it and you click on delete post.